Welcome to Click My Project. This is our project title, Dynamic Hash Table Based Public Auditing for Secure Cloud Storage. Abstract. Cloud storage is an increasingly popular application of cloud computing, which can provide on-demand outsourcing data services for both organizations and individuals. However, users may not fully trust the cloud service provider, in that it is difficult to determine whether the CSP meet their legal expectation for data security. Therefore, it is critical to develop efficient auditing techniques to strengthen data owners' trust and confidence in cloud storage. In this paper, we present a novel public auditing scheme for secure cloud storage based on a dynamic hash table, which is a new two-dimensional data structure located in a third-party auditor to record the data property information for dynamic auditing, differing from the existing work. The proposed scheme migrates the authorized information from the CSP to the TPM and thereby significantly reduce the computational cost and communication overhead. Meanwhile, exploiting the structural advantage of the DHT, our scheme can also achieve higher updating efficiency than the state-of-the-art scheme. In addition, we extend our scheme to support privacy preservation by combining the homophobic authenticator based on the public key with the random masking generated by the TPM, and achieve batch auditing by employing the aggregate BLS signature technique. Flow diagram. Initially, the authentication module will be there. If the authentication correct or validate, the other services will be continued. Okay, the host access. Here, the end user can upload or download the files. There are three host services: data owner, end user, and attacker, means user, other than the data owner and the end user. In the data owner, the cloud service provider storage services with the security, and DHT means data hash table. Here, for each files, the hash table will be generated. In the end user services, the user will be upload the required file, and it will be go to the cloud service provider. Then it will be hashing into the hash tables for a security purpose. If the attacker attack or add some additional data, it also will be stored in the cloud storage with the name, date and time, and modified data and the file name. And the data owner will audit the attacker's file, and he will rectify the original data. Finally, the end users will perceive a successful cloud service. This is our product demo. Here we have three host access. First one is data owner, end user. Other than the data owner and the end user, the user, he also called as an attacker. Now we are going to say about end user services. Initially, the end user register into the registration page for access the services. user successfully register the required field: username, email address, city, state, password. A confirm password also matched to the password field. The registration process will be continued. Now the user is ready to log in into the user home page. The user select the end user host access service and he put the username and password. After his authentication validation, he entered into the home page. In the diagram, the entire activity of the services will be shown. The user upload his required file. It could be anything. For example, if he upload the health records text file, the file will be uploaded successfully. And also additionally he also add some file. Yeah, all the data will be stored in the database successfully. Now he can view the uploaded file. The file will be downloaded in a correct format. The uploaded data will be downloaded in a correct format. This is the part of end user cloud computing services. He log out the session. Now the data owner access the host service. Here he can generate the hash table, means hash keys for a selected files. For the health records file, now I am going to generate the hash key. For the text document, and the data owner going to generate the hash key. Now the data owner going to generate the hash key. Yeah, the key generated successfully. The data owner can view the hash table. Here for the new text document, the key will be generated as shown in the hash table column. Okay, now we are going to see about the attacker services. The user may be anyone. The attacker. For an attacker, the entire data will be shown in an encrypted format. So he cannot view the original text file or original data files. But he can modify the text or add some files or anything like that. For example, in the new text document, the attacker going to attack or spoof some additional text. The file he additionally add the word attack and attack the entire file. He cannot download or modify the files. He can just attack the files, and the files also will be shown in an encrypted format. The data owner means the third party auditing will be monitored in the session. All the activities will be shown in the activity page, like new text document will be attacked by the user Raj. The date means malicious activity. So by this the data owner can audit the attacker and the text file, and he can recover the original data sets. In this way, cloud service provider auditing service by using a hash table. Thank you for listening.